what's up? What's happened? What's poppin'? So I just wanted to come and show you guys how I do just a simple and basic fall makeup look. So I did go ahead and do my eyebrows beforehand, but I am going to go ahead and prime my face with the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Pro Filter Primer. Just put that all over my face, and then I'll go in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is in the shade 380, and then I'll go ahead and just blend that out. Okay, so after I blend out my concealer, I'll go ahead and use my DaiiDream Beauty Blender. This is latex free, y'all, and it's super soft. Like, I did not have to wet it at all. So I'll just go ahead and blend out the concealer that's closest to my nose, just because I do not want my nose to look smaller in that area. But then I did go ahead and take some tape and line my eyes with it, just to make sure that my eyeshadow isn't super messy, since I am a beginner. And then I'll just go ahead and take this True Complexion contour palette. This is the medium to dark palette. And then I'll just go ahead and take that Sculpt color, which is just a light brown color, and use that as my transition shade. And I'll just go ahead and apply that in my crease until I get the desired look I want. And then I'll go ahead and take the contour color, which is just the darkest shade in the palette, and go ahead and apply that to the outer corner of my eye, and then just drag that over that transition color into the crease. Then I'll just be going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'll be using the shade Hunts. It's just a burnt orange color, and just applying that to the lid of my eye. And I'll just keep packing that color on until I get the desired color that I want. And then I went in with the shade Chip, which is just a dark brown burgundy shade in that Jaclyn Hill palette. And I just went ahead and applied that to the outer corner of my eye, and then dragged that across my crease. Okay, and then after I got my eyeshadow as good as it could possibly get, I went ahead and began to do my foundation. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. This is in the shade 430, and I went ahead and used that DaiiDream Beauty Blender to blend that out. Okay, so after I blend out my foundation, I will go ahead and use the Buttercup setting powder as a concealer. I'm not using an actual concealer, just because the two concealers I have, which is just the Fenty Beauty and LA Girl Pro concealers, they're not doing it for me anymore. So I'm on the hunt for some new and better concealers. So if you guys have any recommendations, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely check those out. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with the Buttercup setting powder, and then I'll go over that with the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Hazelnut, just to make my face not super light. So I'll go ahead and put the Fenty Beauty setting powder over the Buttercup. And then I'll go ahead and dip back into the True Complexion contour palette, and I'll be using that contour shade, the darkest shade, to go ahead and contour my face. Once I contour my face, I'll go ahead and pat in those setting powders. I won't swipe it away. I'll just go ahead and pat it in just to make sure that my face is nice and set. And then I will go ahead and set my face with the Black Radiance Matte Setting Spray. And y'all, I hate this setting spray. It smells straight like rubbing alcohol, but I had to use it because I ran out of my Morphe setting spray. So I just had to settle for this one. And then to apply my lashes, I'll be using this Snatched Back Eyeliner Lash Glue Duo. Y'all, this stuff is so bomb. Like you can see, it looks like an eyeliner, but it's an eyeliner lash glue. So I'll just go ahead and demonstrate this for you guys. So I apply the eyeliner, and then I'll be using these Spice lashes by DaiiDream. Y'all, these lashes are so beautiful. I wanted to put these ones on, but I opted to go in with these ones, which is the Getta lashes, because these are absolutely beautiful as well. To apply the lashes, you just do a line of the lash glue or eyeliner and then apply the lashes, and then y'all, they stick. Like, they will stay all day. You don't have to worry about your lashes coming off or any of that nonsense that be happening. I'll be having a link down below for you guys. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and apply the eyeliner to my eye, and then I'll go ahead and apply my lashes. And then I'll be taking this Maybelline Mascara and blend it in my lashes. And then I will take the Naked Urban Decay Smoky palette, and I'll be using the shades Dirty Sweet and Radar just to highlight underneath my brow bone. And y'all, I forgot this thing had a freaking mirror on it, so whenever I record, I'm struggling trying to record on my phone, but I'll definitely be using this now. And then I don't know what happened to the footage of me highlighting my cheeks, but I used that first color, which is High. And then for my lips, I'll just go in with the NYX Lip Pencil, and it is in the shade Expresso. And I'll just go ahead and outline my lips and then fill that in. And then once I fill in my lips, I'll go ahead and use this lipstick, which is called Slique or Slique Lips Cosmetic. And it does not have what shade or color it is, but it is just this brownish pink nude color. Okay, y'all, so this is it. This is my basic fall makeup look. I am getting better with doing my eyeshadow the more that I do it, but if you guys have any tips or tricks, let me know down in the comment box down below. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share, and most definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.